या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Shakti embodies the primordial cosmic energy representing the dynamic forces believed to move seamlessly through the entire universe. Traditionally, women are considered the vessels of Shakti, the chalice that holds the supreme power of creation. Come autumn, we celebrate Shakti in a number of forms. In the spirit of the season, let us celebrate the Durga, or the invincible within us. Come join us as we worship Shakti in various forms.
Priya Semwal's dream life had come to a standstill in 2012 when her husband, Nayak Amit Sharma, a non-commissioned Jawan with Indian Army, was killed in a counter-insurgency operation in Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. But her life did not end with that. She went on to become Captain Priya Semwal, the first army widow to become a commissioned army officer. Amit, who was a class 10 pass out, had inspired his wife to not only become a graduate but also complete her master's degree, followed by a B.Ed. And the support by Amit's commanding officer, Colonel Arun Agarwal, that helped Priya to take the plunge. There was initial resistance from her family, but a gutsy Priya cleared all hurdles, and she earned 12 medals for endurance, physical training, and outdoor training. With her daughter Khwaish, all of 12 years, Lieutenant Priya is currently commissioned with the Corps of the Electrical and Mechanical Engineering of the Indian Army. She is Durga.
मधुकैटव विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि धूम्र नेत्र वधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि रक्तबीज वधे देवी चंडमुंड विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि निशुंभ शुंभ निर्णाशि त्रैलोक्य शुभदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि
प्रपंच सृष्टि सिकायाई समस्त संहारका तांडवाय. Ardhanarishwar, the divine synthesis of Purush and Prakriti, is worshipped as the basis of the creation of the world. And yet, the Nupi Manvis of Manipur are discriminated against for their gender. It took Boboi Laishram 21 years to assert her identity and emerge as a true embodiment of this divine union. Having led the torturous life of a woman stuck in the body of a man, pushed her to a point when she decided to be what she really wanted to be. A sex reassignment surgery finally freed her from this prison to establish herself as the first transgender doctor in Northeast India. 27-year-old Beyonce Laishram is currently an RMO in a hospital in Imphal and a proud COVID warrior. She is Durga.
यशो देहि दिशो जहि अचिन्त्य रूप चरिते सर्वशत्रु विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि न तेभ्य सर्वदा भक्ता चापर्णे दुरितापहे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि भवद्भ्यो भक्तिपूर्वं त्वं चण्डिके व्यधिनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि चण्डिके सततं युद्धे जयन्ती पापनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि।
Jyoti Kumari, a frail 15-year-old girl from a small village in Bihar, had come to tend to her injured father, Mohan Paswan, an e-rickshaw driver in Gurugram just ahead of the lockdown. Paswan, unable to pay the rent, was asked by his landlord to vacate the house. With no source of income to sustain themselves and no way to go back home, Jyoti found indomitable strength and courage in her and decided to buy a cycle with whatever little money they had left. She took the harrowing 1200-kilometer journey to bring her father home on a pillion from Gurugram to their village in Darbhanga during the migrant labor exodus. It took a few lifts on trucks and tractors and 7 grueling days of cycling through the horrifying heat for Jyoti and Mohan to reach home. With education sponsorships, cycling trials and an opportunity to play herself in a movie, Jyoti Kumari can flash a shy smile now. She is Durga.
देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि देवी परं सुखं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि विदेहि देवि कल्याणं विदेहि विपुलं श्रियं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि विधेहि दिशो तं नाशं विधेहि बलमुच्चकैः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि सुरासुर शिरोरत्न निघृष्ट चरणाम्बुजे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं च मां कुरु रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि।
When the going gets tough, the tough get going. This saying could not have been better embodied by anybody else but Rupa Chaudhary. It was as if life always had some or the other challenge thrown at her. Unable to continue her formal education due to family crisis, Rupa today stands tall on her own 2 wheels. Yes, you heard that right. Rupa Chaudhary turned the tide her way and emerged the first women Swiggy delivery person as well as the first women Ola bike cab driver from Kolkata. A resident of Bagha Jyotin, her mother passed away in 2006 after being paralyzed for 13 years and her father in 2019 after prolonged heart ailments. A failed and abusive marriage has even taken her son from her, but Rupa fights on, even if it means meeting her 11-year-old son once a month. Although many a rider or customer has discriminated against her, she has high regard for her employees who, according to her, have helped her all the way. She is Durga.
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि प्रचंड दैत्य दर्पघ्ने चंडिके प्रणताय मे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि चतुर्भुजे चतुर्वक्त्र संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि कृष्णेन संस्तुते देवी शशाद्भक्त्या सदम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि हिमाचल सुतानाथ संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि
11-year-old Caroline Malsatwangi of Zwangthai locality in Aizawl showed exemplary courage in rescuing a child just 4 years younger than her from being trafficked. Like other kids of her age, Caroline could have forgotten all about the 7-year-old she noticed while playing who had appeared in a village with her mother. Then she heard the alarm about the trafficker and it struck her. Young Caroline befriended the trafficker, agreeing to look after the kid while she ran errands. Determined to save her, Caroline picked up the scared 7-year-old young girl on her shoulders and ran, without paying heed to the rough road or the stones hurled by the angry trafficker who came back to see her victim fleeing. Determination and strength, hitherto unrecognized, took over the young village girl that afternoon, leading her to be selected for the President's Bravery Award. It took her a few weeks to go back to the child and share half the prize money she received. And what she got in return was way more valuable, a heartfelt hug. She is Durga.
इंद्राणीपति सद्भाव पूजिते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि देवी भक्तजनोत्तम दत्तानन्ददयम्बिकै रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि भार्यं मनोरमं देहि मनोवृत्तानुसारिणीं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि तारिणी दुर्ग संसार सागरस्याचलद्भवे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि इदं स्तोत्रं पठित्वा तुमः स्तोत्रं पठेन्नर सप्तशतीं समाराध्य वरमाप्नोति दुर्लभम् इत्तर्गला स्तोत्रं समाप्तम्